Hey y'all, sorry it's been a while since we've put out a video. We've just had a lot going on in addition to the renovation and sickness. So it's been difficult to edit and put a video out. It's also been difficult even to record things, so that's been an issue. So we left you taking the floor out, and now we're going to be jacking up and leveling the back wall and possibly putting flooring back in this video.
So we're in the middle of major reconstruction. Yay! No. This whole back seal beam is fairly rotten. It's kind of solid the closer that direction we get, but over here it's very bad rotten. The ceiling is about 2 inches out of plumb, so we're trying to jack up this whole back wall basically. And we've run into a little bit of an issue with our foundation because the entire house has got a very wide foundation except for this back wall. Where this was just a back porch, they only put a pier, 2 piers right here that are pretty solid, but the brick in between is only 1 brick wide, basically like underpinning. So it's not really going to hold much weight. It would hold a little bit, but not really designed to hold the entire structure of the wall. So we're going to spread out the weight, put new beams under here, and have the weight on these 2 piers, jack it up so we can get the old stuff out, replace it with new stuff, and then put a new floor in, hopefully closer to level, and also leveling the ceiling up a little bit if we can. So that's what we're doing.
Was this ceiling ever supposed to be level?
Well, that side is. This side is level. That side is not. It appears to have been made out of level because upstairs in the sunroom we took a measurement and the wall is actually built to the floor that's out of level. That could have been put in after it settled, or it could have been put in at the original construction. That we really don't know, but we do know that ceiling is level, that ceiling is not.
So if it was originally designed as an open porch, could that be why it was built out of level?
They could have intentionally had some runoff, but of that we're unsure. But I do see, looking at it right now, the original floor right there was sagging in the middle, so we're going to take all the sag out at least.
Do you think we'll ever get it perfectly level?
No, we will not get it perfectly level, but we can make improvements, hopefully without tearing down the rest of the house.
What's more important, level or sturdy?
Both are pretty important. Sturdy would definitely take the precedence. We can deal with standing with our head leaned to the side if we have to.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's not going to be horribly out of level.
All right.
All right.
Let's get to work.
Time to hurry up. So we got our floor joist in that end of the porch down there. And if on video it looks like they're running uphill, it's because that wall is still out of plumb a little bit. So you can see that the wall looks like either the wall's running down or the floor is running up over there. And also this floor is sloped down. So actually our new floor joists over there are actually pretty close to level. If anything, they're about 32nd of an inch low on that end. So even though they look like they're running uphill, because all of this other stuff is so out of level, that's actually got a fall to it too, which is what we wanted. Just not as much as this fall. So since we've got those floor joists in, we're ready to proceed this area. We really like this old hardwood. It is good, solid wood. And we may end up using it either for joist or some other area. But I'd like to change the orientation of them because they've got all the weight of this floor on this one pier right here. And I'd like to transfer all that weight spread out along that wall. So our plan is to take all of this out, refabricate the sill beam up to the spot where it's solid, which is pretty solid right there. So if we don't have to, we're not going to go past that, but we'll put in a beam underneath the door and it will go from this pier to that pier. And then we'll put all new floor joists in running this direction, so it'll be a shorter span. The weight will all be spread out against that wall, and hopefully it will be better. So that's what we're about to get started doing.
So, after 2 days, 3 days,
At least 3.
we have a solid, level back porch. We're ready to take this wall down and close off these 2 openings, and then this room will be done for now because it's just the back porch, right?
I hope so.
We'll figure out flooring at some point. Probably whatever we put in the bathroom, we'll put in here as well. Maybe tile. Tile's easy to keep clean. But yeah.
We may be limited by cost.
Super excited. Floor is level. And sturdy.
And solid. It's not falling in.
Not sturdy. We had a lot of rock back there in that corner I think I showed before we started. But replacing this floor has basically solidified that this wall has to come out because it's not really attached well. It's rotten, which we were going to take it out anyway. Yeah, now we still have to put floor joist and flooring in the bathroom. I don't know if we'll do that tonight or save it till tomorrow. Well, we don't have enough joist hangers, so we have to go to the store. We also, do we have enough joist?
Yeah, we got no joists, we got no plywood, we might not have enough nails, we're running low on nails.
But yeah. We'll probably not be able to use my hand tomorrow. I'll probably have arthritis flare up in my wrist.
And knees.
Well, I've already had one in my knee, so it's kind of been murder to be on my knees to nail, but I can't stand not doing anything. I don't like feeling useless.
You're not useless.
So I just pushed through the pain and got on my knee anyway.
It's more important that you not hurt.
Well, I'm going to hurt regardless. But yeah, so that's the progress we've made thus far. This is probably, you'd probably agree with me, the most major structurally.
Oh yeah, yes, that's whole back wall. All along we've known that sill beam, the entire length of the house was gone. But everywhere else, this whole place is solid.
After we did this, you did electrical and plumbing, it's just cosmetic at that point.
Pretty much, yeah.
Putting stuff back, cosmetic stuff. Solid roof, solid floor.
No leaky walls.
No leaks.
Windows that open versus windows that were caulked shut.
Well, we still have to work on the ones upstairs.
We got a lot of work to do still on windows.
All these windows are going, by the way.
Be expecting another obnoxiously long, what did I say? Abnormally long window montages because there's going to be lots more.
Yeah, we're about a third of the way through the windows. These are getting new windows, and I've always said these look like they come out of a school bus.
They're just storm windows.
But I don't know, they look like school bus windows, and they're crooked in there, and they're all busted, and if you can't put nice windows, don't put anything, in my opinion.
This back porch was just like upstairs. Where this board is at, this was all window at one time. Here's the screen, you can see the screen behind it. So that was all screened in back porch. At some point it may have been completely open, but at some point they screened it in for a mosquito net porch.
Yeah, or a screen porch, a mosquito net porch, a screen porch. But yeah, we're excited that we're putting stuff back together. Demo is done now, right?
Demo is done.
I don't know, you made her do that again, man. I'm sorry.
Why?
I might have been blocking the camera.
Demo is done.
Yeah, demo's done. Is it really? Well, you keep talking about doing the front porch. And
You didn't hit record.
Did I really not?
No, you did.
Oh, I was gonna say. I know I hit record. Okay, so bye for now. I need to get this video on, but I don't know when I will. I'm a little behind because we were sick for a few days. So yeah, there you go. Solid floor. Oh, what?
Yeah.